Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.